Pettiford step back three. Rims it down. His second triple of the opening half.
In the clock, and just see if you can't put together a string of 4-minute segments in a positive light.
Pettiford steps through and
shooting that three in transition, and three Michigan players crashing the glass. Johnson right there with the easy putback. Pettiford for three.
11 to play here at Legacy Arena.
Nice.
Sold out Birmingham.
Nice.
Pettiford moves to drive.
The rim, can't get it to fall. Quick outlet to Pettiford in the open court. He'll take it all the way. Wow, Pettiford lost his footing because of the hard slam.
He's got a man on him. Drive, ball fake, fade away, finds the bottom. I tell you, small guards.
Rub it in right now. They're just playing well, executing. No turnovers is what I'm most proud of. And then manning that inside. So, yeah, they can play well and hopefully stifle it.
And so you can just push some buttons and be able to, you don't want to show your team emotionally that you're out of it.
Incredible move from TAHAAD. And you're unlocking that terrific potential for a guy his size.
Danger zone here for Auburn.
Yeah, and the thing he does best is the rebounding.
Largest lead for Houston.
A lot of that you give credit to the coaching staff, right? But you need that guy to bring it all together, and Jaden Bradley is that at the point guard position. His understanding of what Tommy Lloyd wants to do, it is clear. Pettiford with the runner, gets it to Ben.
Here's Pettiford. Then he rolls it home.
Rebound, that totaled 4 on that end of the floor. Cashed in just 1 point. Thank you, Lauren. And Pettiford, a little soft.
Else can put the ball in the basket for the Tigers now that they have done a different and better job shutting down Hall. Well, it's that guy, TAHAAD
Pettiford all the way to the rim. Oh, my goodness.
Impatient. I can't waste no time. Wish I could find at in the mansion basement.